Air defense is working. Yeah, I have my mics. Is a little bit with the noise protection. It's crazy day, guys. Thursday, and I even don't know how to start this video because it's been night terror and day terror non-stop. It's already, right now it's an air raid siren because of drones, and it's been 11th an air raid siren, and the day was just as crazy, and I was really today scared because drone fell, I can say, really not far from me. I was doing my sport. So, and right now I have to keep my eye on what is going on because it's city center of Kyiv under the attack, and there's many other districts, and at night was many regions in Ukraine under the attack because Russia hit the critical infrastructure. So, hi from Kyiv. Misha is with me. Thank you guys for watching, for supporting. I'm sleepless, tired, and upset that I cannot have a normal, you don't have a normal sleep, and during the day you cannot do everything what you have planned. It's terrible. Everything is closing. They injured in Kyiv, and I have lots of videos for YouTube in my bucket list that I want to publish, but I can't because realities of Kyiv don't let me do some regular life in Kyiv because this what's happened. And yesterday I did my live stream and said it's like normal day, everything is okay. So today is just completely collapse here. I honestly plan to go to the glass bridge, but now I'm really not sure because it was really attacked today and one drone fell near Podil bridge. I was walking in Maidan, then no, it's the car. Then before I went to Maidan, it was piece of drone fell near Dynamo Stadium, Lobanovsky Stadium, and damaged one of the sport complex there. Stadium is safe. And this time I was walking on Khrushchev Street and heard also an air defense system, so it was like drones interceptions. And then it was like really not, how I can say, the best day. We know that Russia is planning to attack all the shopping mall center in Kyiv and other places. So many shops start to close, as Silpor and shopping mall also before was closed. But to be honest, I have membership for the training gym is located in the roof of the shopping mall center Gulliver, and we used to be there during an air raid alert. And today I heard a huge explosion, and drone was fell just nearby. And at this moment I don't realize because it's like panoramic view. I went to one window, saw nothing, and later in the news I saw the fire, and it was posted with the delay. When I went there, like I can see this place from my window, and probably they already work on this because the drone fell not far from Olympijski Stadium and Gulliver Center. And I don't know, it's true or not that it was aiming the Gulliver. I was exactly there doing my sport, and since today I'm really thinking about what's to do with my membership that I just renewed in July. Have to exercise there because I need, like, if we're going to evacuate, it takes 10 minutes, I guess. It's 10 floors, many people, business center, while you get there. So I don't know about the evacuation, what is the best to do. So it was today a really scary one. Because they, like, you don't see, you see only I did the exercise, heard the explosions, and I really don't understand where to go. I thought like, yeah, maybe it's air defense or so, but it was, yeah, piece of drone fell or drone fell there on the road and between near us actually. And Klitschko later reported there are 4 injured and 2 of them are in the hospital from the attack in Kyiv. And they just, honestly, that's just terrible, because during the day I heard the explosions and during the night, so it soon will be like, what is like 17 hours of the explosions, like I don't know, like you don't have even the break, because before we don't slept at night. Yeah, we didn't sleep at night, and a day we at least like can do something, but today was just crazy and it's still going on. It's evening in Kyiv and it's been like non-stop, and I prepared the news updates, everything what's had happened. Guys, really, I'm scared to go to the glass bridge. Seriously, I want to do the nice view, but I cannot say that I feel here more or less safe. But it's all the explosions in the city center during the day. We'll see. Maybe, maybe I will walk. Like really, I cannot do anything. Seriously, anything. I hope to survive, and I just want to do my sport, sleep, and go for a walk, do my work, editing. It's really impossible. And I even like, you see how I start this video, I can't even like concentrate. It's like you have to always check your news in the phone, what is going on, because now drones on the left bank and in the city center. And so now should be okay, you know, people walking, hoping everything will be okay. So anyway, and at night it was also ballistic attack and drone attack. Our Klitschko this morning reported that in Shevchenkivsky district, gymnasium was damaged, and in Podil district as well there are some damages, but in Shevchenkivsky gymnasium and hospital lost the windows. So, and what's interesting, our air forces of Ukraine reported about ballistics, because before they tell, like maybe a week ago or more, they not going to do any updates about what they shut down. Like it's not going to report about the ballistic especially. But today, for the first time since their official announcement, they said that we shut down 7 ballistic missiles. And 1 Onyx, which is Onyx, if I'm not confused, 1 anti-ship missile, and 222 drones. It was like 8 a.m. reports. I have no idea how this day is going to happen, because now we even like, I started to do this video like 6:30, something like that, went out, and like I don't know, it's like non-stop. And today I was really a little bit worried and like really questioning myself about training gym. They attack a lot of places with food. I'm questioning about what we're going to eat soon, like what will be about the logistics. And yeah, of course, soon is autumn. Some days calendar autumn, but then winter. So we can see that we will have some hard times. Despite that, our president said that we got a little bit of anti-ballistics missiles, Patriots, a little bit, have not sent the number, but if it's not much, it can be gone soon with all these Russian attacks and all these drones. So today we have the video as we have. I also have my scripts about the attacks, which I wanted to say and don't want to forget anything. Start a little bit rain and rainbow. Sorry, we are going to be intercepted or interrupted again. Have a look. Beautiful. Just a beautiful. We have really today a collapse in our metro. Imagine metro cannot cross the bridges. Banks, shopping mall center, everywhere where people working, like official institutions, everything like closed. And a lot of people was waiting in our main train station. Many trains are delayed up until now, and it was like lots of people. It like really collapsed day. Some reports about the shops that and storage that been under the attack. Among them is Silpo, Comfy, Roshan, Aurora, it's for beauty products, and House of Toys, it's everything for kids. So they completely destroying our private businesses, economy. So it's the one of the main targets, of course, together with energy grid and critical infrastructure. Just saying, according our president and other news, it was some regions without any details, among them Sumy region, Dnipro region, and Poltava region. So not much photos provided. In Kharkiv, today one killed because Russia attacked epicenters, our huge shopping mall, everything for your house, for your home, for your garden. And Odessa at night, it was multi-story residential buildings, two education complex. Let's watch. In Odessa, 3 are injured. They attacked two institution complex and multi-story residential buildings. So in Odessa, really difficult situation as in Kyiv, I guess, and many places in after this night, after the ballistic and drone attack. Especially want to say about the Borispil district. It's near Kyiv. There are 9 locations in fire, damaged all this warehouses and our businesses, and our guys tried to work there, but all the job was interrupt with new and air sirens. So they what I checked, they was working from morning till evening near Borispil. So storages and private houses there. This is what I said today. In Golosivsky district was some damages, scars after the drone attack, and near Dynamo Stadium, near Gulliver and Olympijski Stadium. Kyiv today was for the first time attack with Iskander 1000, and their official information, so let's read it out loud. Russia has struck Kyiv with Iskander 1000 for the first time, according to the Ukraine main intelligence directorate. It's Abergur. It's an upgrade version of the missile with a range of up to 550 kilometers. To comparing previous Iskander M, had range of approximately 390 kilometers, and some information. Critical infrastructure was targeted overnight. There is serious damage in several regions, said the Prime Minister of Ukraine. So actually it's the news up to 7 p.m. Kyiv time. Have no idea, it will take some time to post it and maybe there will be more information. Hope not, and there are still drones up in the sky. So we will walk a little bit and hoping for the best. Seriously, I have no idea how to plan and organize my life in Kyiv. If this is going to continue for nearest months, adding if you have the issues with water, electricity, and heating. I don't know. It's just how I can say, you are not living, you're not achieving your plans. You are just in the wait condition, just trying to have the livable life, and that's it. Because like it's such a I don't know. It's impossible. People who work today, they don't have the access to work normally. And soon is schools and universities starting to opening September 1st. The question, how the school program and everything will go into working, and the kids, it's just is no way. Something is new. Photos from the front lines. Autumn 2023. Lugansk region. The fighter warrior of 49 Brigade, Carpathian Siege, after working on the positions. Oh my god. I have not seen. Oh, what is this again? Explosions? Guys, I don't know where to go. It's people continue walking. I'm just like thinking which direction should I go. I hear drone somewhere there. Like, look. No one is reacting. Okay. Everyone just looking around. What's had happened? So I have to really charge my phone. It's what, the like 1%. Seriously. Just to be know about the news. But guys, I think I just honestly, I didn't organize anything much today with all these realities. So, well, yeah, I took some photos today, videos, charged my phone, and it's just scrolling the news. So, don't like to stay without the connection, just in case, if my father or grandma calls me or so. Music here playing. Just check the news. There are 4-story residential building injured. Damaged in Podil district. So yeah, I need my sleep. I'm very confused in any language, I guess. Just show you the view. Birds. Poor birds, they always scare it as much and flying around. Guys, there is explosions if you don't hear. Kids here. I don't know, I'm worried to be honest. What is this? It's a rival? Oh my god. Yes, it is. Left bank. So guys, explosions are still going on. Kyiv today, day and night under the attack. I think it's time to go. So thank you so much for watching, for supporting. Going to charge my phone. Always have to be on call in case who knows what. Yeah, August evenings are more chilly. Now I would like to wear in some jacket, to be honest. Very fresh air. Some ambulance there. So guys, thank you for standing together with Ukraine. Thank you so much for supporting, for everything. Hoping for the best, hoping to stay safe. Misha saying goodbye. Tanya saying goodbye. See you soon. Hopefully soon will be quiet day and will something peaceful on my YouTube channel as yesterday live stream. So thank you. Bye bye. That's my summer look of the day. Just decided to enjoy summer wearing some skirts, sporty shoes, Nike shoes, some t-shirt. So just in case you never see me in all size, it's me. Just keep my sport, following my food routine even in such a terrible situation, and planning maybe in September, if I have enough energy and so on, to share about my routine. So hope to still have my gym and everything as usual.